Oh, look! I even got an air freshener. What does this even smell like? Yeah, that smells lovely. And on the 73rd day of ownership, he said, oh crap, what was that? And now it doesn't. Now they don't work. What the hell's going on? What the heck? Because you peed on my tools twice today. Yeah, remember that? Not cool. Monkey. Ren. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
We're staying inside today for a little while because we got some clouds are a brewing out there. It's kind of spritzing. And we received 2 packages today, and I think they're going to solve a number of our issues. We're going to find out what's in package 1 and package 2. I do want to show you what else I found at the junkyard. This is huge. Look at this little girl right here. Look at that. Get out, get out, get out. What could that be? Yes, sirree. This is my grill. And it goes right there. See how it kind of matches? Yes, sirree. Look at that. It's been missing. So we're going to get this installed today. So we have 1, 2, 3 things that we're going to do, and maybe even 4. And then this car will be ready for a test drive like you can't imagine. Like I can't imagine how heavy I want to go. Yep, we're going to put the pedal to the metal after we get all of this fixed today. Right, dogs? They don't care. Here we have the 2 packages. You might be able to tell what this one is. All right, it's a good size. You know, it's something that we really need. So let's just kind of open this very quickly. This one's going to be very easy to attach. I do want to say thank you to the eBayers. Oh, look! I even got an air freshener. What does this even smell like? Yeah, that smells lovely. It's morning fresh. Why? Why do you include this with this? This is what we need because the other one was so beat up and so dirty right through here and scorched. So we have another one of these, 022545832, which I believe is part of the ABC controller system. So this will be very easy to install, okay? It simply lies in the fuse box on the left. This right here I have great hopes for. All right, and they did a magnificent job wrapping this thing up. All right. Yeah, look at this. How much saran wrap does it take to wrap up what is a SAM unit? Yep, this is my right SAM. Thank you very much, Katie Auto Parts. Appreciate the order. Well, I appreciate your business. Okay, so this is the right SAM, and I got to tell you, these SAMs do lots and lots and lots of work. There it is, right there. From an 04 S500, the parts 545-8332. We're going to make sure that matches up. But I got to tell you, these SAMs do a lot. You want to know how much these things control? All right, this is the left SAM. He lies down in the fuse box. We replaced him in the last video. The left SAM.
This handles left front lights. I heard it was the right lights. We're going to go with this source. This is Mercedes Medic. The side light, the rear air outlet, illumination, the glove box, lock illumination, light switch, steering column adjustment motor, ESP, BAS, Airmatic, ABC control. It also receives signal data from the left front brake pad, contact sensor, AC pressure sensor, refrigerant temperature sensor, brake fluid indicator, outside temperature sensor, parking brake indicator lamp. Low beam is handled with the left SAM.
Right SAM. This guy right here in the engine bay. He lives on this side, the passenger side, right there.
This guy handles the right front lights and the side lights, center console storage, lights in the glove box, and eyeglass compartment, ashtray and flip well. Also handles pumping for the windshield washer nozzle and the pumping water for the headlight cleaning system, radiator fan for coolant.
See, it says it right there. I'm actually just reading this. All right, we're going to open up the coffin box here, and just like we did on the other one, okay, this right here is my fuse box. It's just a little tab right here you push down. This whole thing's going to come out, and then I got to take it all apart. So we're not going to talk about that, okay? We'll just do that. We'll do a little video. You guys can watch how it goes, and then we'll get it installed. The ABC module, which this car seems to be fine without it, but I just want to make sure. So it lies underneath right here. Okay, and I don't know why this is so difficult to get off, all right? But I believe it's this one or this one. This will be easy to get to. So we'll replace this, we'll replace the SAM on the right side. Then we will see what we've got, and hopefully we can make these lights work. Well, I kept recording on that because I wanted to show you how much trouble one little module can give you. Yeah, and how much doom and despair, excuse me, it'll bring into your life. Yeah, there was a couple of pins that had been bent. Thank you. I think that came from LKQ. And so if any of these little pins are bent, that connector is not going to connect. So that was the issue. So we got them all connected. This is the issue with the old one, okay? That's horrible. Look at this. This is the fuse box. Ugh. Okay? And this is the old SAM. Doesn't look so bad there, but look right there. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Isn't that lovely? And the more I think about it, the more I think that the right SAM on the S55 could be the issue with the fan. No SAM, no fan. Nope, exactly. Okay, so we're going to see if by chance the one I got from the junkyard matches the part number in that. But that'll be another video. But isn't she lovely? Yep, we're getting her all buttoned up. We'll get the coffin tops replaced. I might even go down below, as long as you don't pee on my workspace, because you peed on my tools twice today. Yeah, remember that? Not cool. Okay, we're going to see if we can get the front bumper grill attached down below there. I don't know how I'm going to do it, probably with zip ties. Then we'll give her a start and see what's going on. You want to see something beautiful, other than my dirty hands and my dog? All right, look, we have a lower bumper grill. Look at that. We can push this part out a little bit, make it a little better. Okay, what's the deal? All right, everybody, I get on my knees, and all the dogs have to jump on me. Please, Lola, get back here. Thank you. All right, let's show the people. Look how much better. Okay, we're gonna work on this part right there. But it's doing its job. It's protecting the transmission and the AC condenser, and all these dogs are driving me crazy. All right, thank you, Lola. Good girl, go away. But it matches. I've had so many people tell me they want the LEDs out of here. I don't know if I want to take the bumper off to do that. But let's turn on some lights and see what happens, okay? Let's install the lights and see if the SAMs are good. Let's see if this is going to work. All right, let's say a little humana, 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 nabisco. And, okay, that's a good sign. Let's see if we have, oh, wait a minute. Have we, oh my gosh. Yes, sir. We have illumination. You're kidding me. Okay. So the SAMs do control the headlights. We told you that. I don't know if it's cross or just parallel. Anyway, let's get this headlight on, and we're getting her buttoned up. Oh, I am happy. Can you tell? Legend, can you see how happy I am? No. And on the 73rd day of ownership, he said, oh shit. Oh crap, what was that? What is that? I don't like that at all. That's not good. That is not good at all. Okay, well, that's a surprise. What I wanted to do was show you the lights, which hopefully worked. That one, kind of. And now it doesn't. Now they don't work. What the hell's going on? What the heck? There we go. Here we go. And he said, let there be light. And there was light. And it was a good thing. What is not a good thing is this. What just happened here? What just... Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. It doesn't like something that we did. Okay. See, we got all these lights are... Oh gosh. Now they're on all the time. And that went out. This just got a lot more interesting. Well, she's not freaking out, which was scary. I don't know. All I did was put that ABC control module back in and plugged it up. See, the old one's back in there. I don't know. Maybe just because the battery was a little wonky. I don't know. Let's get the car in, and then we will put them back on. We'll switch out the new one again and see what happens. Just not put it all the way back in. Yeah, thank you for posing. Thank you. We got her inside. That's the new one to us. Let's just see what happens. That was freaky weird. That was really freaky weird. Okay, there's the key. Oh, I keep getting closer and closer to Janice. Okay. Okay, I think everything is back to normal. And look, even the shade goes up now. Even the back shade goes up. Look at that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna lay all that craziness on a dead or almost dead battery's fault. Yep, we're gonna blame it on the battery because she's running good now, and we still have lights. See? She's all buttoned up for the night, and I'm loving that we have lights. I'm not loving that these brackets are broken. We got broken brackets on both sides. Yep, see that right there? Yep, these are the attachment points, and I don't know, on a BMW you can buy little fix-its. I don't know, I've never seen them for a Mercedes. They're super easy on a Mercedes. On a BMW, you just get two little screws here that hold it on. Excuse me. I'm developing a cough. A bit of a cough. So, I'm going to research this. We've got that buttoned up. We've got that side buttoned up. All is well so far right here. I'm still seeing some radiator fluid every once in a while. I don't know if it's left over from the big spill or what. So we're going to watch that. The next thing we got to do is going to be the window regulator, which will come just like this. Now that the SAMs are in place, we're going to focus right here, because if you listen, it tries to move. Can you hear the motor? See? Yeah, something came unattached. So we're going to take this off and see what's going on. Should something be broken? Aha! We got a box for that. Let me show you what's happened. Where's my little piece right there? This right here is our issue. Okay, the window fits right in there. And there's some rubber that kind of holds it in. It just came off, and it kind of holds it like this. I mean, this is not the right position, but it sits like this right there. So what I think I'm gonna do is clean this off Maybe put a little glue or something in there and squeeze this together a little bit. Like that. And then we'll put it on there and hopefully it will hold it on. But that just attaches through there. See the hole? That's where the bolt goes, right there. So this is an easier fix than replacing the window regulator because those things you have to drill out. Yep, there you go, and you put rivets to get it back in. But it works, everything seems to be working fine except for this little piece right here. And this flap has been driving me cuckoo. Okay, she's clean, she's attached, she's even glued, and the little screw has a little bit of Loctite on it. Okay, the blue. Anyway, we're gonna replace some of these broken tabs. See right there, one, and then there's a couple right down there. There and there, we're gonna replace those, put the door panel back on and let her kind of dry like this. She's in the up position, so we're putting force on that little attachment point with the glue, and it's gonna be good to go for a very long time. So let's do that. Just like that, we fixed it. Yep, she is good to go, except you can see we're a little askew right here. There are little plastic retainers that hold that little metal bracket right there that are missing. Okay, see that one's missing, that one's missing. This one's kind of there, and then they're back in the back. So I need to sacrifice one here for one here and then order some more. Let's see if we can just pull this off and see if we can make that happen without breaking it. Yeah. Okay, see how that holds it in? Yep, right there. That's what holds it in. So we'll move that one to the first one, and we'll have 1 and 4, and hopefully that'll work. Let's try that. That's what they look like right there. They're very difficult to get out, and then this part just literally sits right inside there. So we'll see if we can get this kind of attached with one hand, and hopefully it'll just hold it for now, which it is kind of doing. Okay, we'll see if I can order some more of those things, but that's better. So much better than it was, and hopefully the window's gonna work. So, oh, that's a good look for me. How about that? Yeah, that's what happens when you fix a window and you got a hat on your head. Okay, now, as far as the S600, I think we're done. No, we're not done yet, but we fixed almost all of the 99 problems. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? He is dumbfounded, or he's just dumb, and I found him. Ha! Anyway, stupid dad joke, wasn't even funny. The work on the S600 is almost complete. I don't know what we should do next. Should we have fun with the exhaust? Should we straight pipe? Should we have fun with that? See what she sounds like? Because right now, can you hear that? Man, she sounds so good. Legend likes it too. He's over there checking out the sound. Love it! Okay, another video in the can, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. What comes next? Well, we're going to take her for a road test, and then we're going to compare her to this car right there. The S55 AMG. There's a big difference between these two cars, and we'll talk about it, and we'll let you know which one I prefer once I get them back both on the road. Both back on the road. Back both? Both back. Either works, I guess. I don't know. What is this? What is this sad face? Huh? You want to say goodbye to everybody? Say goodbye. All right. Have a good day. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.